When you run multiple stores or warehouses, tracking stock in one place is not enough. With location-based inventory tracking, you can manage stock for every location separately and keep inventory accurate across your whole store network. In this video, I will show you how location-based inventory tracking works. This feature helps you manage stock separately for each store location. First, go to WordPress dashboard, then hover over Location Manage, then click on Stock Central. From here, you can manage inventory for all store location in one place. You will see two stock management methods, Modern and Classic. Let's start with Modern method. From any product, click Manage Stock. A pop-up will appear from here. First, you need to enable the Manage Stock. You can manage both default stock and location-wise stock. This makes it easy to update inventory quickly for different store locations. Let's close it. Now let's take the Classic method. Here you must need to enable stock first. With this option, you can manage stock for all locations from one table. Here you can easily update the location quantity and also manage location-based prices for each product. This helps you control inventory and pricing for every store locations. So this is how location-based inventory tracking helps you manage inventory across multiple store locations. It keeps your stock organized and makes inventory updates much easier. Manage stock for every location from one simple dashboard.